high carbohydrate diet, and the muscle mass is less than compared to other countries. So peculiarly, the part of diabetes that we are managed in the Asian countries is there is a large part of insulin resistance which has to be thought of. In every diabetes, there will be two parts: the insulin deficit part, wherein the pancreas will be unable to pump the insulin, and the patient become high blood sugar and diabetic. Whereas there is another part, second part in diabetes, that is called insulin resistance part. That is, there will be high amount of insulin pumping into the bloodstream, reaches the muscle and adipose tissue. There are two important tissues which control the blood sugar in our body. One is muscle, another is adipose tissue. As the muscle unable to receive every cell has to take the blood glucose inside by glucose transporter, which will be activated by the insulin. But the insulin, when it want to enter the cell, it needs an insulin receptor. With insulin resistance, what happens? These receptors, post-receptor activity will come down. So the pancreas goes on increasing the insulin production. This is called, because of high hyperinsulinemia, is called as insulin resistance. This produces, what happens is, there will be increase in the, as the insulin levels are high, it goes on safeguarding the fat not to come out of the system. So it prevents lipolysis. So the patient becomes, blood sugar will be normal. So when the patient checks, the blood sugar will be normal, but the patient will be